The kitchen, the heart of the home where delicious meals are lovingly crafted and family memories are made. But let's be honest, it can also be a cluttered disaster zone that tests the limits of our sanity. Picture this: pots and pans playing hide and seek, utensils holding secret meetings in dark corners, and the Tupperware. Oh, the Tupperware. But fear not, my fellow culinary enthusiasts, because we've got the solution you've been craving. Introducing 10 DIY projects for a clutter-free cooking zone by Simp Home. In this video, you'll get the first part. We're here to add a dash of humor and a sprinkle of practicality to your kitchen chaos. Get ready to laugh, get inspired, and, most importantly, reclaim your cooking space one hilarious DIY project at a time. So roll up your sleeves and let's get started on this wild, whimsical, and clutter-busting journey that's sure to leave your kitchen looking like the cover of a gourmet magazine. Or a little later, after you get richer. The kitchen shelving project idea from Old Shutters. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to your first kitchen miracle. You see, Liz had an awkward spot in her home yearning for a purpose. Enter Mr. LMB, the upcycling wizard who transformed old closet parts into the ultimate kitchen bookshelf. In a world of clutter and chaos, this dynamic duo has shown us that anything is possible. It's like a superhero story, but for kitchen organization. Now let's take a closer look at this magnificent creation. There's a dog station built right into the furniture, a luxurious dining experience for our furry friends. You know your life's hit peak adulting when you're jealous of a dog's dinner setup. And let's talk about those Anthropologie measuring cups, sitting pretty next to the jars of sugar, flour, and brown sugar. It's like a Pinterest board coming to life, every home chef's dream. But the real game changer here is the silverware storage. In a bold move, our author ditched the traditional organizer for mason jars from World Market. It's the kitchen equivalent of a mic drop. So friends, let this be a lesson in laughter and ingenuity. Next time you deal with a similar kitchen dilemma, embrace the power of upcycling and watch your kitchen woes disappear. And remember, when life gives you old closet doors, make a kitchen bookshelf. A custom fold-out drying rack you can repurpose to dry your kitchen essentials. Picture this: a small kitchen cluttered with a bulky clothes horse battling for space with pots, pans, and plates. But fear not, dear audience, for an ingenious solution is about to unfold. Meet our hero, architect Wilco Dahlring, who, tired of waging war against the space-hogging drying neck, creates a masterpiece to save the day. Behold the fold-out drying rack, discreetly disguised as a kitchen drawer. But wait, there's more. A pull-out ironing board hidden in a cupboard, turning kitchen chaos into an organizational oasis. This clever contraption can hold a whopping 40 kilograms of washing. Talk about super strength. With such innovation, it's no wonder others are clamoring for their own fold-out drying rack. Reactions range from awe at its sturdiness to relief with those with hay fever, unable to dry their laundry outside. This fold-out marvel is quickly becoming the hero every small kitchen needs. Of course, some skeptics argue it would block counter space, but our hero, Wilco, assures us that the sink and back door remain accessible, and the rack is mostly used overnight. Crisis averted. So, dear friends, let this tale of small kitchen triumph inspire you to embrace innovation and find your own fold-out drying rack. After all, who wouldn't want to make their kitchen battles a thing of the past? You've been dreaming of a kitchen bar, a cozy spot for conversations, wine, and music while dinner is being prepared. But alas, your kitchen lacks the space for an extravagant island. Fear not, dear audience, for we have the ultimate solution. How to make your own kitchen bar transformation without serving a serious space? Behold the parallel kitchen, an ingenious way to maintain spaciousness and optimize freedom of movement for two cooks. But let's face it, we still crave that intimate kitchen bar experience. Introducing the end of the kitchen mini bar, a compact yet comfortable spot where one can cook and the other can sip and chat. Now let's break down the steps to create this magical mini bar. Number 1, measure and determine the size of your kitchen bar. Number 2, have the panels cut to size and gather the necessary materials. Number 3, assemble the sides and worktop of the bar, then reinforce it. Number 4, treat the bar with a transparent matte varnish and sand the wood. Number 5, attach the bar to your kitchen without drilling using Tessa mounting tape. Voila! Your kitchen bar is complete. But wait, we're missing a stylish bar stool. Check out this beautiful rattan bar stool from HK Living, adding a touch of sophistication to your new cozy corner. So there you have it, friends. Transform your small kitchen into a charming space with your very own mini bar. Now, who's ready for a fresh virgin mojito? An inspiring idea on how to turn BIFOLD doors to barn doors you can use to organize your kitchen supplies and necessities. Ah, the classic builder-grade house with cheap BIFOLD doors that just won't quit. We've all been there, right? Our hero here, Wanda, fed up with doors falling off hinges, embarked on a mission to transform these nuisances into space-saving barn doors. Ready for a fun, witty guide to barn door conversion? Buckle up, folks. Here's your step-by-step plan. Number 1, ensure the door will fit. Make room for door sliding greatness. Number 2, figure out the track height. Add 5/8 inch to your door height. Number 3, calculate the track length. Twice the width of your door should do the trick. Number 4, determine the track pieces. That double door kit's got you covered. Number 5, cut the track if necessary. Jigsaw, angle grinder, or hacksaw? You decide. Number 6, prepare the doors. Bye-bye, BIFOLD. Number 7, install the track. Get that wall prepped and those holes pre-drilled. Number 8, add the pulleys. Slide and glide, baby. Number 9, install the rail guards. Safety first. Number 10, hang the barn doors and marvel at their beauty. Number 11, position the bumpers, keep them in check. Number 12, install the door guide. Smooth sliding, here we come. Voila! A closet upgrade that'll make you wonder why you waited so long. So folks, let this tale of close triumph inspire you. Bid farewell to these BIFOLD door woes and welcome to the wonders of barn door elegance into your home. Happy DIYing! The DIY herb garden hanging container ideas. Are you tired of reaching for that dried-up basil in your spice cabinet? Well, it's time to bring your kitchen to life with a hanging herb garden that's as fashionable as it is functional. Step 1, gather your materials. You'll need metal containers with drainage holes, S-hooks, a metal curtain rod, herbs, and potting soil. Number 2, embrace your inner pirate and attach the S-hooks to the handles of your swanky metal containers. Number 3, channel your green thumb. Fill those containers with potting soil and plant your soon-to-be bountiful herbs. Remember, personal space isn't just for humans. Give your herbs room to grow. Number 4, time to show off your DIY prowess. Install the metal curtain rod in a prime kitchen location, making sure it's sturdy enough to support your herb-tastic creations. Step 5, hang your herb-filled containers on the curtain rod using the S-hooks, like ornaments on a tree. Behold your very own hanging gardens. Step 6, don't forget to care for your new green friends according to their needs. After all, a well-hydrated herb is a happy herb. With this space-saving, eye-catching herb garden, you'll not only impress your guests, but also elevate your culinary game. Say goodbye to stale spices and hello to fresh, homegrown herbs you can brag about in your vegan social circle and more. That's it for now. Later in the second part of the video, follow our final journey on how to turn a stressful kitchen into a clutter-free cooking space. There, you'll embark on discovering an inspiring barn door coffee bar center, a new apothecary cabinet for the kitchen, an Instagrammable plastic-free pantry, and 2 others. Stay tuned. Well, that's it for now. Before you leave this presentation, we'd like to appreciate every second you spend watching this video. If we deserve more of your attention in the future, press the subscribe button if you haven't done so already. Like the video if you believe it'll motivate the YouTube algorithm to push the video to more people. Honestly, though, it is more like a myth to us, so feel free to move on with your plan after the video ends. Lastly, we hope you have great luck with your health and project, and we'll see you again soon.